And these are just pots that I'm just reusing. I save all my pots when I buy things from garden centers because this one has roly-poly bugs on it, so I'm going right in the trash, trying to clean them out so they get in the trash. So I always save my pots because, you know, things are expensive and you can always reuse them. And you can see this one here. This is a little baby I pulled off. And then this one is also, it's a baby, but it's also having little babies. So there's little ones coming off. I'm just gonna go ahead and take those off because I want this to have, and look, it's got a little solo baby here with its own little, see that? Its own little root. So I'm gonna just put this one in by itself. And this, you know, these are all from like just one amaryllis that I bought, and they just keep propagating year after year. It's amazing how much they, you know what, this one's gonna need a bigger pot. How much they just can procreate, you know? Let's do this one. You got bigger roots. I'm gonna give you a little terracotta pot to be in. There we go. And again, we're just burying the roots. Kind of got the roots down in the pot, and the bulb is up above the soil line. Pack that down tight. Right, so that one's done. Need a bigger pot. It was a little bit bigger one. And then I got, move these away. I got this one. So one here. I'm going to cut his roots a little bit. And we'll backfill. Okay. All right, I got one more that I want to, before I jump off this live, I got one more I want to show you. Oh, this little guy, let's do him too. This one, he was cute. He just still had two little roots. You know, sometimes I just can't throw them away. I feel like, all right, I'll give you a shot. I'll give you a shot, little one. Put you in there. He's about the size of a little garlic, a little piece of garlic, a little garlic bulb, well, a piece of a clove. There we go. He's like a little garlic clove. That's how little he is. This one too is teeny tiny. Maybe I put you guys together. You're that little. I'll put that other one in there. You got a little buddy, a little bunk mate. There you go. Now we got the two in there.